In this video, you will discover a game-changing trading strategy that leverages two of TradingView's most precise indicators. This strategy shines on lower time frames like the 1-minute and 5-minute charts, making it ideal for scalpers aiming for quick, consistent profits. Whether you trade cryptocurrencies, major forex pairs, or stocks, this strategy delivers exceptional results. I have tested this strategy 100 times manually on the SPX 1-minute chart, and here are the results. I started trading with a $5,000 account balance. I use 5 to 10% of my account per trade. For example, if I profit $100 on a trade, my new balance is $5,100, and I use 5 to 10% of this updated balance for the next trade. Conversely, the opposite is true for losing trades. Traders, before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. As I have already tested this strategy on the SPX 1-minute time frame, we will use this asset and time frame for our demonstration. Now let's click on the Indicators tab and search for Signals and Overlays Premium. It is the most popular premium tool created by LuxAlgo. For the second indicator, you want to add the Price Action Concepts indicator. Next, add the Legacy Oscillator 2 times to your chart, and finally, you want to add the Squeeze Index as well. Alright, now let's click the settings of the Signals and Overlays indicator. For the signal mode, we want to use None. For the signal's sensitivity, you want to use 10, and for the candle coloring, we want to use Confirmation Simple. For this strategy, we do not want to use any overlay, so make sure all these options are disabled. Moving on to our second indicator, open the settings of the Price Action Concepts indicator, and let's start with the Market Structure labels. We want to use the Market Structure labels as an entry confirmation, so make sure to set both options to All. Next, enable the volumetric order blocks and set the amount to display to 5. For the time frame, make sure to choose a higher time frame, and it's depending on the asset, volatility, and time frame you're trading on. So for example, I most of the times use the 5 or 10 minutes time frame. Next, for the first legacy oscillator, you want to set the type to Ultimate Stochastic. Set its length to 17, and set the lengths of the Ultimate MACD to 12, 26, and 9. Now click the Style section and make sure only the stochastic trigger is enabled. Now open the settings of the second legacy oscillator. Set its type to Advanced and its length to 17. Set the lengths of the Ultimate MACD to 12, 26, and 9. Now click the Style section and make sure only the Advanced main is enabled. Our setup is ready. For today's strategy, our main focus lies on combining market structure labels with other confirmations to find the best entry points and using order blocks for exits. Let me break this down for you. First, let's talk about market structure labels. These labels help us understand the overall trend of the market. One important label is the break of structure, which appears as BOS on our chart. This occurs when the price moves beyond a previous high or low, indicating a continuation of the trend. Another key label is the change of character, which appears as chalk, which signals a potential trend reversal when the price breaks through a previous structure point in the opposite direction. Now, the market structure label is our first entry confirmation, but we need additional confirmations to ensure a strong trade setup. We'll start by looking at the candle coloring for confirmation. This method uses 3 colors to indicate different signals. Green candles show a strong bullish signal, which means it's a good time to consider buying. Red candles show a strong bearish signal, which indicates a good time to consider selling. However, we do not want to enter a trade when the candle is purple. Purple candles indicate a normal bullish or bearish signal, which is not strong enough for us to make a confident trade entry. Therefore, we focus on green for buys and red for sells to ensure stronger signals. We will then use the Ultimate Stochastic Trigger Band. This tool helps us confirm our entry by showing bullish or bearish market conditions. When the band is green colored, it indicates a potential buy, and when its color is red, it suggests a potential sell. Next, we use the histogram for a second confirmation. We focus only on the stronger colors, like light blue and light purple. These colors highlight stronger momentum, giving us more confidence in our trade direction. Finally, we check the Squeeze Index. The Squeeze Index helps us identify periods of low volatility that are likely to be followed by high volatility, or squeezes. When the Squeeze Index appears in red with dots, we do not want to enter a trade, but when it's in red and decreasing, we can start looking for an entry. Ideally, we only want to enter a trade when there's no squeeze, meaning we want to see only the yellow line oscillating without the red cloud. So, to recap, the market structure labels are our first entry confirmation. Next, we use the candle coloring for another confirmation. Green candles indicate a strong bullish signal for buy entries, while red candles indicate a strong bearish signal for sell entries. Then, we use the ultimate stochastic trigger band to confirm entries, with green indicating buys and red indicating sells. We also use the histogram for added confirmation, focusing only on the stronger colors. And finally, we check the squeeze index. We avoid trades when red dots appear, consider entries when the red decreases, and prefer to enter trades when there is no red cloud, only the yellow line oscillating. So, when exactly should we enter buy or sell trades? Here are the exact rules for a buy position. First, we need to see either a bullish break of structure or a bullish change of character label. This indicates a potential upward trend. Next, the candle must be colored green. This confirms a strong bullish signal. Then, the ultimate stochastic trigger band must also be green. This provides further confirmation of the bullish momentum. Additionally, the histogram must be colored in light blue. This shows strong upward momentum. Finally, we check the squeeze index. It must either be in red and decreasing, or we want to see only the yellow line oscillating without the red cloud. This ensures we are not entering during a low volatility squeeze. When all these conditions are met, we enter a buy trade. For the stop loss, we use the most recent swing low. For our target, we use the next order block located above the current price action. Now let me show you another buy trade example. First, we look for either a bullish break of structure or a bullish change of character label to signal a potential upward trend. Next, the candle should be green, indicating a strong bullish signal. Then, the ultimate stochastic trigger band must be green as well, confirming the bullish momentum. Additionally, the histogram should be light blue, indicating strong upward momentum. Finally, we check the squeeze index. It should either be red and decreasing or show only the yellow line oscillating without the red cloud, ensuring we avoid low volatility squeezes. When all these conditions are met, we enter a buy trade. We set the stop loss at the most recent swing low and target the next order block above the current price action. Traders, if you like this video and strategy, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Moving on, let me show you how you want to enter a sell trade. To enter a sell position, we follow these steps. First, we need a bearish break of structure or a bearish change of character label to signal a potential downward trend. Next, the candle must be red, indicating a strong bearish signal. Then, the ultimate stochastic trigger band must also be red, confirming the bearish momentum. Additionally, the histogram should be light purple, showing strong downward momentum. Finally, we check the squeeze index. It should either be red and decreasing or show only the yellow line oscillating without the red cloud, ensuring we avoid squeezes. When all these conditions are met, we enter a sell trade. We set the stop loss at the most recent swing high and target the next order block below the current price action. Alright, finally let's go through one more sell trade example. For a sell position, we need to ensure the following. First, look for a bearish break of structure or a bearish change of character label, indicating a potential downward trend. Next, ensure the candle is red, confirming a strong bearish signal. Then, the ultimate stochastic trigger band should be red, providing further confirmation of bearish momentum. Additionally, the histogram must be light purple, indicating strong downward momentum. Finally, check the squeeze index. It must be red and decreasing or show only the yellow line oscillating without the red cloud to avoid entering during a low volatility squeeze. When all these conditions are met, we enter a sell trade. The stop loss is placed at the most recent swing high, and the target is the next order block below the current price action. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex, and stocks, check out this video right here.